लाइव చూద్దాం.
माननीय सभापति महोदय,
अशोक कुमार मित्तल,
मैं आपके माध्यम से एक महत्वपूर्ण विषय की ओर आपका ध्यान आकृष्ट करना चाहता हूं। माननीय सभापति महोदय, माहौल नहीं है, फिर भी मैं कहना चाहता हूं। फिर भी मैं कहना चाहता हूं।
This is not correct. You are getting into the well. I am not going to hear anything to you.
हालात है,
None.
मैं चाहूंगा
None will be.
तमाम विद्यालयों
No, not at all.
प्रेयर में
Not at all. I am not going to encourage anybody who is getting into it.
वर्जन पढ़ाया जाए। प्रियम्बल इसलिए कि सर समता, समानता,
Nothing will go unregarded except the speaking up of Manoj Kumar.
भावों को लोगों तक पहुंचना चाहिए। इस भाव में अवरोधक बहुत है। आप स्वीकार करेंगे कि इस देश में सामाजिक सौहार्द, बंधुत्व और समता की बातें अपने न्यूनतम पायदान पे है। मैं माननीय सभापति महोदय, साथ ही आपसे आग्रह करूंगा कि एनिहिलेशन ऑफ कास्ट जो बाबा साहब की उसको सरकारी पक्ष को भी ये समझना होगा कि जब तक समता और बंधुत्व हम स्थापित नहीं करेंगे तब तक बहुत मुश्किल होगी। इस देश में अलग अलग जातिगत उत्पीड़न के केसेस हैं, वैसे माहौल में
You are not in a position to take your people to the
एनिहिलेशन ऑफ
Why you are shouting?
इन दोनों का समराइज्ड
What right you are having? Every time you are shouting like this. No.
ये किसी भी प्रार्थना से
I am not going to allow this indiscipline.
मैं आपके
I am not
माध्यम
at all
से
going to allow this discipline.
आपसे अपेक्षित है
You are always
मेरी
denying the
बातें
rights of the
शोरगुल में खत्म हो
individual
गई।
members. That
मुझे
cannot
फिर
be
मौका
encouraged.
दिया जाए।
Now, Dr. Ashok Kumar Mittal.
धन्यवाद महोदय। आज मैं सदन का ध्यान एक ऐसे मैं सरकार से निवेदन करूंगा कि वो SIR के मुद्दे पे चर्चा के लिए
Nothing will go on record except Ajit Kumar. You sit in, huh? Doctor. Next is Dr. Fauziya Khan. Dr. Fauziya Khan.
Sir, house is not in order. House is not in order, sir.
Fauziya Khan is not.
House is not in order.
Fauziya Khan, you want to speak or not? You tell me. You speak.
I can't.
Why you are worried about them? You speak.
I cannot, sir.
You speaking, huh? Why you are interviewing?
Sir, we want to demand discussion on SIR. Please listen to that, sir. Please listen to our demand.
Fauziya Khan?
Discussion
Fauziya Khan,
on
you address to
SIR,
me.
On electoral reform,
You address to
sir.
me.
We need a discussion on that immediately. Sir, please take discussion on SIR. Everybody wants that, sir. Sir, everybody is protesting for discussion on electoral reform.
Now,
Keep that urgently.
Fauziya Khan, you want to speak on the subject, you speak.
Sir.
Otherwise, I am going to call the next
Sir,
person. No, I am not going to listen to you. I am not going to listen to you other than the subject.
Sir, kindly listen.
No. Dr. V. Shivadasan.
Respected Chair, my topic is the attack of wild animal, but I believe
the union government is trying to attack the voters and the people of the nation.
No, Sri.
Sir, this is the topic,
No,
sir.
Sri. Nothing will go on record other than the subject. Sri, I am going to call the next person. If you don't want to talk on the subject, I am going to call the other person. No, whether you have to stick to your subject or otherwise, I am not going to allow you to speak. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record other than the subject. You want to talk, you talk about the subject. Otherwise, I am going to call the next speaker.
So I am asking to you, sir.
No.
Take the initiative for the discussion on SIR.
No, not at all.
The wild animal
You can-
attack is my topic. The government is trying to attack the people of
You
the
want to
nation
speak,
in
you
the
speak
name
about
of
the
SIR,
subject.
sir.
I am giving
My
you the last
topic is
chance.
wild animal.
No.
The wild
I am
animal
giving you
attack
the
is
last
very
chance.
serious.
If you want to speak on this, otherwise I am going
I am
to.
telling wild
Shri
animal
Birendra
attack is
Prasad.
serious. Begin-
Vice, Sri Birendra Prasad Vice.
Sir, thank you very much. I am raised here today on behalf of people of Assam, on behalf of my party, Assam Gana Parishad, and my party president, Atul Bora, supporting demand by the sixth community of Assam, Thai, Ahom, Moran, Batak, Kush, Shutia, Kush, Shutia, Tea community, to guarantee scheduled caste Assam. This community is indigenous tribe of Assam and they are the soil of the soil. Their demand is justified, so I am supporting their demand. I like to request to guarantee these six communities of Assam. Sir, in the year 1968, sorry ma'am, excuse me. In the year 1968, when India was ruled by the British government, the British government described them in Gazette Note by Gazette Note.